Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Bomia sign bisa abanda danese. Eka 122 billion out of Sakano. In case at least 1,000 kilometers must be constructed in all the regions in this country. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, out of the 122 billion, who says, you constructed 1,000 kilometers. Uba ye wababe bobusia 122 billion, wababe bobusia times 2. How many kilometers have you constructed? Ayasema Ghana fubisa wadakabre nyame. Onwa no setting the questions. Because say uyo cherechirefo ana uye lecturer na set questions ma mofra na se mofra na ehu questions na no yi a wankasa wo ba na ono won abeye bibia wo fe no correction. Into Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, we want you to come back. Now ni yen beye correction now questions na wo set ye no de yen tiase no wa kire yen nia yen tumi en yi ano no no wa yi ano amaye nia yan tiase no no wa kire yase ama ya tiase. Adakabre, how many kilometers of roads so far? Abaya or declare year of roads. Ko aya Kumasi Asante Achima Gogo Domiabra. Go and look at how chese ahemfo wo Domiabra mabom abaso ewie. Yankopon hyiramo. Se mo dikan adwen ama amembu chese aban mua na mutumi dwen mo man ho etutu eyisika. Ko hwese no won ayo won kwan na Adakabre. Okay, wonga je ne kama Miss when pinka ho district chief executive ye interview no ha Neat FM live o share boss June no o man bisa no ye mistake wo interview no wonga amfa year anka ho okay June no nke se wo force no wo hu say June no say ye 2021 no say ye 2022 but this year nika say ye June ene yeso ye J2 no nti ye mbisa kohwe Domiabra, Yankupon Shira himfo no, Yankupon Shira mo. Na mun dream hwekan because Andiapia Kubi, our MP, Honorable Andiapia Kubi, the statement utterances on Power FM and Neat FM no, are very, very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Say MP, to me be no kasa sache, people who voted for you, the people you were sitting with, uno na net trasi every katibom, uno na net trasi didibom, uno na net trasi ye bibia na mutra didi ye bibia me koi watchre me ho. Because me abra watchre me say Andiapia Kubi MP. Aha, ena ye nyina yetna atunse didi ye bibia ba ne wadang ne chi akire kuru no. Tania Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Vice President, and ne Ghana fo hwehwew ye hu. We are looking for our own Vice President. Yetu Obama na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo. And ye hwehwe Vice President. Ye hunu. Where is the Vice President? He went ahead and said he was going to transform or say Bushana abandada na bono. Or say in Kai say 122 billion. It to me transforming a Greek industry or my way mo. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, uba e wabe Bushana mbohum miensa. Gada fu bisawu ya se Greek no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia impempen sube na odi akwakodu ehi na odi akwakodu because enene na nse ya na Greek minister babeka kire ye minister na o ka kire ye nse say eya brody edru ba ku ye 5 cities no we twa no ho ne abeka kire ye nse planting for food and jobs no egu anya adwuma it is in crisis. While the previous administration was distributing fertilizers for free, mobile mobile two fertilizer ya tro not for sale. Mo hwe kuafo nim. Po mo timodin eton fertilizer ne de mawo. Adakabe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo Ghana ha na. Ghana fo bisa o, Ghana fo na bisa nyame George Nash. Me Ghana ni mesu me ka ho bi. The masses, those who are suffering, the market women, the trotro women, made full bottle de bia wo kam because of transport fares. This is the situation Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo and the MPP. What the Ghana for akwa say. Akra, Osansu Kai say, out of the 122 billion na binda dana jeno under Mahama ya jeno, in case ya then put in place one world-class hospital in each region. Adakabre. Out of what sema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sema okeni. Me patro you see. Out of the 122 okay waba.
Saka ye mo atena se. Na ho te sen. Enne de no obobo ye mo.
Saka. Waba betu. Adakabre. Or see out of the 122 billion, the previous administration under Mahama no nke say o put in place one world class hospital in each region out of the 122 billion no who catch that by that and say on see world class Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana for na ebisa no hospitals ahina wakwa kosi ubaye hospitals ahina wesi ama Ghana for mo fa asobo mo na mo kon ho Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia one na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo president of Ghana fa aso mun see hospital Labadi full hospital ba ku pesi o say yenkuko buo say aseyo say ne tibia Labadi full senka wo pene sa wo senka senior hospital etino nka sa no wo pene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and mo abebubu hospital negua Catison how many years ni you were asking somebody to build a world class hospital out of 122 billion ubai wababe bobusia almost 350 billion hospital ahina wesi Ghana for na ebisa no enye ye ni ebisa aigbofo wo baby a wobu wo se kokuru kpo mekpie hu na kokuru na badifo wo se akukọ buo akukọ mfere akukọ buo se ne tibia no obediem ntin kala badifo se ne ankala polyclinic ni tibiara no adakabre wo pen sa ene wonga bubu egu and we are here, we are happy. He said that out of the 122 billion bandada GE under Mahama no nke say we must buy at least etie for mutie mi yewu o say at least let's say yan to kura no 1,000 ambulances services I see it to be to 1,000 etie for Ghana for na ebisa no say nti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia over 350 billion na wo wababe bobusuya no ambulances ahina mo de toy ukachi obi out of 122 billion say onto 1,000 ambulances. Mubaye 200 or say 300 and something ambulance mutoye no. Ghana for some who yesi. Ye district jamboree. Ye regional jamboree. And ye national jamboree. Our ambulance 350 or say 320 no. You were asking somebody who has borrowed 122 billion. Say in case auto 1,000. Mubaye wabe bobu say 350. What wa he? What wa he? Ghana fu ne bisa no. Ne sensu tosu bio. Me sen bisa Ghana fu bisa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ewiabri. Yente nka. Ya hwehwe na ye hu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ghana fu bisa o Ghana fu hwehwe no. O say out of that 122 billion na abandada ne je no. In case you set up factories with the private sector across the country to add value to our raw materials and create jobs. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghanaians are asking you again this afternoon. Abuahin. Afina Ekobo no yeah. For Abuahin 3 Ekobo 3:30. Kana for bisa. Saka ebia wabe yi ano because me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or the 2 minute bia ma wabetumi yi ano amahin. How many factories have we built? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, how many factories have we built? In record, on record. How many factories have you built? And your rhetoric on your Osensu kosu biom, etie for mutie. O say, in case out of the 122 billion, said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, abandada no, John Dramani Mahama, or equip our existing health and education institutions with the state of art facilities. Brofone de waya de menye. Brofa kese, yemfa brofu mbumang, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, yemfa brofu mbumang. You were expecting what? The previous administration, so equipping our existing health and education institutions with state-of-the-art facilities. Sema ukachira bandada no. Uba wabe bobu 350 a year, over 350 billion. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, what you may see? Come out and answer these questions for us. Ghanaians are asking. I'm not the one asking. Nanyesa Tosubio say, out of that 122 billion about that and the G. John Dramani Mahama, Yankupo Shira Papano. John, Yankupo Shirano. Obenyinga che. Yankupo Shirano say, Yehu no Quareno, say, or no begin or mine who share kind sing a buyer or Tisune. Say, a binding cash obesi 200 secondary schools, you know. Muti asema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kai. O say, and can say out of the 200 schools, no, also basically swap. Until can say Osi Baku 600 schools day schools in kese o sin kese o si baako 600 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 200 was on various stages na e were various stages na yegusu ayeye ubaye no emu ahepo na wetumi asiesie wetumi awie wojane aka no wonwure mu wosi ahe unsi bi Ghana fo obisawo adakabre ne etoso last one I was 69 mu na me de batui o si nke say out of the 122 billion abandada no ebo busia na ono aba be bom busia abobusia na yenka abro 350 billion no o si nke say you construct Accra Kumasi Paga Railway as well as the Western Railway line. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, how many kilometers of railway and how by 6 years ni what you put in place? Zero. How many kilometers of railway? Tematu a year, Akosomo Railway. The only change a woman change here a bemu MPP by on by year railway no hunda say. Omuyi the source of railway no from Akosomo Port to Impaka Dam. That's all.
Okay.
Your sister no from her come Impaka Dam. That's all.
Okay.
So what you say?
169 no.
69 no. Inti adakabe me for we fidie so.
Ya hwe say Sakasalia.
Mumpia. Enkoma no. Be che say mumfa vice president. Me pa mcho me fa we fidie so. Mumfa vice president. Say Asema George Nash any Ghana for.
Okay.
Ye bisa no me open tema ka ban.
Asema da won say
ene.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no.
Needs FM.